Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to show you how to download your videos that you uploaded into your YouTube studio. Okay, first you go to your content sections in the channel content, log into your YouTube studio, and then choose any of your videos. Like mine, I'm going to choose this, and then click this button, the three dot button under options. There's this download button. Click on it. And you will download. Okay, it will download into yeah, basically it's downloaded. You see this? My file has been downloaded. Okay. Yeah, that's it. My file has been already been downloaded. That's how fast and quick this is done. Yeah, to download your videos that you uploaded. Okay, I hope it's useful for you. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.